Hi guys, welcome to Lytical Prep. So today we are going to solve this question. It's under calculus. So we have to differentiate f of x, which is equal to this whole functions. Okay. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to look for the easier method to go by. Okay. So with this, you can see that we can solve using the power rule and also the product rule. Okay. So let's use the power rule so that it will be very simple for us. Okay, good. So assuming we are having a function, say f of x is equal to x power n. When we use power rule to differentiate this, you see that we are going to get this. So when you differentiate x power n, what it means is that using the power rule, the power is going to multiply the whole term here. After that, we subtract 1 from the power. Okay, so there's it. The power was n. Okay, so you multiply n by the whole function here. After we subtract 1 from the power, that is the exponent. So this is what we call the power rule. Okay, so let's come to our problem, and we are having f of x, which is equal to x power 5 minus 4x cubed plus 2x minus 8. Good. So using power rule, let us differentiate this term by term. Okay, let's take it term by term. So with this one, let's take for x is equal to x power 5. Okay, let's take for x power 5. The derivative is, so for x power 5, we are going to get the derivative of x power 5 with respect to x is equal to, now this 5 will come and multiply the whole thing, so we are going to get 5. Looking at this, our 5 is the n, so it's going to be 5 multiplied by x power 5 minus 1. Okay, so to simplify this, you can see that we are going to get 5 times x. So we are going to have 5. Let's simplify this first. 5 minus 1 is what? 4. So we are going to get 5x power 4. So when you differentiate x power 5, you are getting 5x power 4. Good. Okay. So let's do for the second term. So 4, so 2, 4, negative 4x power 3. Let's solve for this. So this one too is going to be the derivative of negative 4x power 3 with respect to x is going to be, now our x, the power n is now our 3. So it's going to be 3 multiplied by the term which is negative 4x, then our power 3, we are going to subtract 1 from it. Okay, good. So let's simplify this. So we are going to get 3 times negative 4 will be negative 12. Then our x, 3 minus 1 is what? Which is 2. So we are going to get negative 12x squared. Okay, when you differentiate negative 4x power 3. Good. Let's do it for, so 3 for the third term. So for 2x, we are going to get the derivative of 2x with respect to x. With this, our power n is now 1 because x power 1 is the same as x. Okay, so we are going to get 1 multiplied by 2x. So 1 minus 1, you see, because x power 1 is the same as x. Good. So this one is going to be 1 times 2 is 2. Okay? 1 times 2 is 2. And we know that 1 minus 1 is 0. So it's going to be x power what? 0. And don't forget, any number to the power 0 is 1. Okay? So x to the power 0, we are getting 1. So it's the same as 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. Good. So for the last term, for negative 8, you can see that we don't have any x there. Okay, the x is not there. So it means that x is of power 0. Okay, good. So when you differentiate this, we are going to get, so it's like this. So this 8, let's come here. This 8 is like s to the power 0 like this. Okay, so when this 0 multiply the root, 0 times 8x power 0 minus 1, which gives us 0. So everything here will be 0. So when you differentiate a constant, you'll be given what? A 0. So when you differentiate a constant, you get 0. Good. So let us put everything together. Okay, so putting everything together, we are going to get f prime of x, which is equal to, so we have 5x power 4 minus 12x squared plus 2. Okay, the 0 is not important. Okay, so that's what we are getting. Good. So when you differentiate this function here, which is x power 5 minus 4x cubed plus 2x minus 8, we are getting 5x power 4 minus 12x squared plus 2. Good. So please try this one for me. So differentiate f of x, which is equal to 4x power 6 minus 3x power 4 plus 12x squared plus 5. Good. You can solve it and leave your answer in the comments.